In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Tableau Desktop Public Edition. Whether you're just starting out with data visualization or a seasoned pro looking for a free tool, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive in. First, head over to Tableau.com. This is where all things Tableau live, including our starting point for downloading the desktop version. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll find the Products tab. Clicking this is your gateway to exploring all the different Tableau offerings. Now, in this menu, look for Tableau Desktop and click on it. This section is dedicated to the desktop version, featuring everything you'll need to know before getting started. Next, you'll see an option to start a free trial. Click on this option. Even though we're downloading the public edition, going through the trial process is necessary for the download. You'll be prompted to fill in some basic personal details. This typically includes your name, email address, and possibly some information about your role or company. Don't worry, this is standard procedure for most software downloads. Once you've filled out the form, hit the Download App button. After the download completes, open your File Explorer to locate the downloaded file. It should be sitting in your Downloads folder unless you specified otherwise. Now, double-click on that executable file to start the installation. You might encounter a pop-up for Terms of Agreement. It's crucial to go through these terms. After reviewing, check the agreement box and proceed by clicking Install. The installation process should run smoothly and finalize quickly. Once that's done, go ahead and open the Tableau application. The next step is to activate your product. You'll see an option that says Activate with Product Key. Click on it. If you have a product key, enter it in the designated space. Now click Activate to complete this step. Lastly, you'll come across a registration form. Completing the registration helps Tableau understand who's using their product, which can be beneficial for support and updates. Fill out your details and hit Register, and there you have it. You've successfully installed Tableau Desktop Public Edition. You can now start exploring the capabilities of this powerful data visualization tool. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out or leave a comment below. Happy visualizing!